During this pandemic, some healthcare workers have been furloughed, have filed for unemployment, or had their hours cut.
And I went from feeling like my job was very secure to not. And I was like everyone else, kind of scrambling to find something else.
Even some medical practices are at risk of permanently closing. Kelly Duncan is a traveling nurse on assignment to temporarily fill in where she's needed, but her hospital contract was canceled. She took another nursing assignment, but she's still worried.
There's a high chance that they'll still be canceling my hours.
Around the country, some hospitals are losing money due to stay-at-home orders and patient and medical practices canceling and postponing non-emergency care like checkups and elective surgeries. With profits diving, hospitals are cutting costs by cutting payroll.
And it's not the greatest time to pursue that dream because I did not expect it going this way at all.
Traveling nurse KRISTINA has been unemployed for 8 weeks. 2 of her contracts have been canceled. She's now on her 3rd contract, and its start date has been delayed. National Nurses United Union tells Newsy there's no reason to lay off or furlough nurses, saying it is short-sighted to be sending healthcare workers home. Around the country, 221 hospitals have furloughed workers. And while Congress allotted hospital funding through the CARES Act, healthcare leaders say it's not enough. The American Hospital Association says Illinois hospitals are losing an estimated $1.4 billion a month. In Ohio, it's $1.27 billion a month. Those kinds of losses can lead to unemployment. In March, the Department of Labor says 43,000 healthcare jobs were lost. For some doctors and nurses, the pressures of the pandemic are providing an eye-opening insight into the business of healthcare.
We're not really trained to seeing patients as revenue. But when you get into a situation like this, you realize that if you aren't seeing patients, you're not getting any income. And when you're not getting any income, you're not able to pay your staff.
Kat Sandoval, Newsy, Chicago.